Hello, my name is Aaron Dipner. I'm a software engineer with Eset North America and the developer of the Eset Remote Administrator plugin for Labtech. In this video, we'll be going through a brief overview of the plugin itself. Installation is fairly straightforward. You can download the plugin directly from the Eset website or through the Solution Center in Labtech. Once installed, we simply click the Eset Dashboard button found at the top. On the front page of the dashboard, we're presented with graphs showing information regarding endpoint definitions, threat alerts, AV scanners, and endpoint issues. On the left-hand side, we've got a menu breaking down various categories. Let's take a look at endpoints. The endpoints category provides an assortment of data about the various endpoints checking into their respective remote administration servers. From here, we also include color coding for certain categories such as virus signatures, last connection, and even protection status. Clicking on an individual endpoint will provide us with a table at the bottom showing various threat data relating to that endpoint. At the top, we can also kick off new scans and update tasks. Under the ERA servers category, we can find a list of various Eset remote administration servers that are connected to the plugin and data related to them. Clicking on a server will provide us with options such as properties, test connections, connection settings, and synchronization. The Groups category is a direct reflection of the groups available from Labtech. From here, we can select a group and easily assign Eset policies as needed. Speaking of policies, the Eset Policies category will provide us a list of policies available in the plugin. From here, we can easily create new policies, upload existing ones, assign them to groups, edit or delete them, clone and merge them, as well as import them from the Eset Remote Administration server. When creating new or modifying existing policies, we're presented with options to utilize the version 5 or version 6 configuration editors. The version 5 configuration editor will be the same one available from the Eset Remote Administration server. And for version 6, we're provided a list of various products that we can create policies for, as well as the familiar interface available from version 6. When we are done, we can simply close and save. When assigning policies, we're provided with a group list on the left-hand side with markers denoting who already has policies assigned to them. We can simply select our client and click on the arrow pointing towards the right. When assigning multiple groups to a given policy, there are also options for priority. This can be utilized if you have machines that exist in multiple groups and need to distinguish which policy takes priority for them. The Scans category will show us a list of endpoints that have had scans triggered from the plugin. It also includes information such as when these scans occurred, how many files were scanned, infected, and cleaned. Similarly, the Threats category will show us endpoints that have had threats triggered on them, as well as information regarding which threat and actions taken for it. And the Tasks category will provide us a list of various tasks that have been triggered, including scan and update tasks. Deployment is also very straightforward. We simply have to create a new task. We simply provide our task a name. And we're also provided options for deployment, updating software, as well as removing Eset software. From here, we can select our primary ERA server, the product to be installed, as well as language. Next, we select the Labtech group to deploy to, with options to target specific operating systems. For version 6 products, we can also choose our license, our agent certificate, and provide a certificate passphrase as needed. Once we have verified that all information is correct, we can save the task. Next, we have reports, with specific license and usage reporting available, along with additional reporting found under the plugin section of the Labtech Report Manager. Under the Settings category, we can modify the separator character for the Copy to Clipboard function. There are other settings available, such as table refresh interval and log retention periods. Available throughout the entire plugin, we can see at the top filters for clients, as well as log filtering options. As we can see, this plugin provides a variety of ways to interact with the remote administration server through the Labtech Control Center. We do appreciate any feedback you can provide, and thank you for watching.